Okay, what's going on? It's TC. I'm back for another episode of Build and Destroy Daily. And this time, this will be a big project. I'm about to redo my master bathroom. The bathtub and shower area has mold issues. There have been water damage issues in the past, so I want to get this all torn out and then get it replaced. It won't be too big of a job, but it's a bathroom, so got to get it done. So I started to knock this area out. First thing I wanted to do was get that water cut off. So I removed the faucet and ended up soldering those copper end caps onto the hot and cold pipes. That's the first thing that I needed to do. I'd suggest everybody do it first. And then we moved over, because I recorded this a few years ago. I'm actually very random with my recording and I'm all over the place. Sorry about that. So we removed the faucet from the sink and we are starting to get rid of that countertop. It's all glued on there with some strong adhesive, some construction adhesive. So you want to just pull it as hard as you can and get it up without damaging anything else around it. Just sit that right over to the side. This vanity was held in by screws and the studs, so I just went and unscrewed those. We're not going to damage the vanity. We are actually reusing the vanity, so I didn't want to destroy that at all. As you can see, we're halfway done with the floor, but I have a little bit of my process there. We just took a sledgehammer to it and beat it up, made it easier to lift with the crowbar. So we got all that flooring up. We have most of the tile from the bathtubs around. We have that removed. Now, the reason I didn't remove that back wall is because the garage is actually on the other side of that. So now that I'm about to load the truck up, this is when you'll actually see me remove that final tile wall and just carry that stuff right outside. So instead of getting a construction dumpster, I just got a U-Haul truck, the 1999 10-foot U-Haul truck. That's the cheapest way. And this was that back wall I was telling you about that leads into that bathroom. The reason I'm removing this stud, I had to replace it. As you can see, that bottom plate is rotted. So I had to replace that whole section right there. So this was the perfect time for me to carry all of this stuff out through the garage this way, instead of walking through the house. It's just a lot better. And you really can get rid of this wall any way you see fit. I decided to kick it in. See that tile falling out? There's no pretty way to do it. Just do it the cleanest and easiest way you know how. Some people beat it with a sledgehammer. I just figured some good elbow grease and a good kick would do the job. And now that we got it down, we can just carry everything out one at a time, right from the bathroom to the truck, through our garage. Very easy. There's that old bathtub that was just nasty. There's no telling how long the people before me had it in there. And this is what a demoed bathroom looks like. The toilet is actually not connected. It's just sitting there. I'm going to reuse the toilet too. That's a good demo day right there. This is a very cheap demo. This costs less than $100, so very cheap. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of the bathroom renovation.